RobustAire 4 is so quiet that she was unable to know it was running. My name is Kyle and I'm with Jones Lake Management. My primary role is an aquatic biologist doing pond and lake treatment, but I'm also our service person. So I do a lot of the fountain installations, unit installations, troubleshooting and repairs. So we had a lake management contract with an HOA where we went out and troubleshot a unit that was not working. It was an undersized competitor's aeration system that was feeding 4 diffusers. What we did is replace that system with a RobustAire 4. The unit sat about 10 feet from the end of the ladies' patio with a small hedgerow right in front of it. And for about a month and a half to 2 months, she didn't even know the unit was running.
Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.